Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change glow plugs on an Audi A3 TDI. First, gather your tools, including a torque wrench and a specialized glow plug socket. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to prevent damage. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple preparation saves time and prevents potential issues. Now let's access those glow plugs. They are typically found under the engine cover, often requiring removal of some components for clear access. Gently detach the electrical connectors from each glow plug. Be careful not to damage them. Using your specialized glow plug socket, slowly loosen and carefully extract each old plug. Take your time to avoid breaking them inside the cylinder head. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new glow plug. This helps prevent future seizing and makes removal easier. Carefully hand-tighten each new glow plug into its port to ensure proper seating. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's exact specifications, typically around 15 Newton meters. To finish up, reattach the electrical connectors to each of your newly installed glow plugs, ensuring a secure connection. Then, carefully reinstall any engine components you removed earlier to gain access. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and start the engine to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your glow plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.